Canada's Wonderland is the biggest amusement park in Canada, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to have the best day ever at Canada's Wonderland. So it's just past 10 o'clock now and we're just walking around the park and it's so empty in here. There's nobody here. It kind of feels like we have the park to ourselves. We just made our way into the park and we're heading straight to Yukon Striker because none of us have ever been on it, and we're gonna go there right before the lines start. That was one of the funnest rides ever. It's so quick. We got in 5 minutes and it's just such a fun ride.
It's honestly like, it's insane just going straight down. Like, it's one of the weirdest experiences.
It just stops you and then you just drop.
Yep.
It's crazy. It's so much fun. Right beside it is a staple of Canada's Wonderland. We got the mighty Canadian Mindbuster, one of the OG rides. I think it might have been the first wooden ride or ride in general here at Wonderland. We're about to go on that one too. Two great rides back to back. Went on the backlash stunt coaster. That one's fun. It just shoots you off right away. One thing I would recommend getting is the Canada's Wonderland app. It'll also show you if the ride is open or closed and the wait times for each ride. If you click on one of them, it'll give you a description of it. Also, you can see on a map all the rides and also a few other things. So you can also see the events or shows happening, all the places to get food or drinks, places to shop here, and also where the washrooms are. And you can see the services provided. You can also just check out the hours for the day. Now we're in line for Flight Deck, and this is a ride inspired by the Top Gun movie. That ride was so much fun. It's great. It goes fast, does a bunch of loops. Definitely worth the time. And just a hidden tip, always keep your head on one side because it does hurt a bit. That ride we just went on is Time Warp, and it's a really cool one because you get to lie down while you're on the ride, and it does a couple cool flips and stuff. But same as Flight Deck, keep your head to one side to keep your head from hitting the side. Now we're in the medieval fair part of Wonderland, and we're gonna go on a really cool ride called Nightmares. It's a Ferris wheel that spins you around fully 90 degrees. So the reason you guys watch my channel is because I give secret tips to places that most people don't know about, and this might just be the biggest hidden gem yet. Across the street from Wonderland, you have $1 pizza slices at Popular Pizza, and compare that to the outrageous prices in the park. This is by far the best ones you can get. Raise the prices now. To get back into the park, you just have to show the ticket you used before to get in the first time. Flashworks was closed today, and Whitewater Canyon, but they're both worth checking out if they're open when you're here.
So they went to Leviathan, and I'm just exploring the park now.
So we just got off of Leviathan, and that's definitely one of my favorite roller coasters, especially sitting at the very back because you go the fastest at the back.
The best part is when you're at the back and you're going up, you already start going fast, going up, and you feel the whole drop. We just went on Timberwolf Falls. It's this water ride that goes down and it gets you so wet. Perfect thing to do on a nice hot day like today. Between about 1 and 6 is the busiest time in the park where the wait times are really long. So if you come anytime before then, it should be less people, and also after then there should be less people.
So Milo, what was your favorite ride of the day?
Mindbuster.
That was a pretty good one. I think my favorite one was definitely Yukon Striker. And your favorite thing you did today? How did it get splashed?
Yes.
Yeah. Mila stood underneath one of the rides and she just kept getting splashed by the water slide.
My favorite ride was probably Leviathan because it's just so cool being at the back and it just shoots you up. But thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.